Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the Byju's IAS tablet which I have just received. So this is the Byju's IAS tablet I have received, and upon opening this you can find this, the Lenovo Tab 4 10 inches. Okay, so inside that you can see there are accessories like charger and pins, and also the Lenovo Tab 4 10 inches, and this is it. And you can also clearly see that the courses are listed here, all for UPSC, including the exams. The cost of this package is 75,000. 75,000 you can have in a single pay or in EMI. The EMI is no cost EMI with a down payment of 15,000 and 5,000 per month till 12 months. Okay, so once I get through it, I will give you the review. Actually, why I purchased this course is because I'm a working professional and it becomes very difficult to go to coaching classes outside. So I thought to go for a digitalized one so that I can sit in my home and study whenever I need. Okay, so take care guys. Until a month, I'll upload the review of how the Byju's IAS tablet is, whether it is up to the mark or not. Okay then, see you. Bye.